Hello everyone. What is the estimated average salary of a cleaner in Iceland? The average annual gross salary is 39,000 US dollars. After tax, the average net salary is 27,300 US dollars. That is roughly 3,250 US dollars gross and about 2,475 US dollars net each month. In Reykjavik, the average annual gross salary rises to 42,120 US dollars. The net salary there is 29,484 US dollars, or roughly 3,510 US dollars gross and about 2,457 US dollars net per month. Experience, hotel work, and night or weekend shifts can affect pay. Still, these figures give a useful national and city comparison. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.